favorite place over there is that tower.
Yep.
But you can't see it from here.
Bam, that was his home.
Do not enter. You gotta go around. Oh, there's the tower. You see it through the trees. Take the whole road up, people. You're not the only one. They're going really slow. Oh, they're in front of us. I'm gonna turn over here. That's what I love.
You love that tower, don't you? But I'm not walking up it anymore.
No,
I'm too sick.
I can't walk up it either anymore. Hurts my hip too much.
Come on, dude, where you at, boys? That's really why they like wanted to clear all this out underneath. To make them go out in the fields and graze.
Everybody better leave before dark. It's gonna be haunted.
Yep. Like,
Anybody behind us?
nope.
Okay.
Because they're looking over this way. Alright, so we'll get a closer view right here.
Let's see. Stop right there. Oh. Yep. Okay.
See how I know the areas where we're at, baby? Because I spent time out here. There's some up there too.
Well,
Up there at the top.
it's way at the top.
Yep. Dad used to say some over there.
Yep.
Dad used to say, I know where all the deer's at in here. Will?
Yeah.
I used to say, Ham, you know wherever you know all the spots.
To the right up here.
Yeah, it should be back up there.
Alright, let me get it almost.
See them over there?
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, got it.
See, they're all over here. They're grazing because all that hay's been cut.
There's some way up in that field too. Yeah, I got them early.
I know.
I know you looking at them. Get them again.
It's all the does. The buck is somewhere. The buck's probably got his head in the woods. They're watching them other people walk up.
Yeah, there's lots of people today.
That's what a lot of people do up here, Angie. They look for
People. We got a good camera. Back that way, taking photos.
Yeah. Yeah. See, they're going slow right through there.
Might be some deer up there. Remember, this is where I stopped the other day, I think.
I was on up.
Oh,
But there may be some up through here grazing. Because remember those that we got earlier? They should be moved up toward the road by now.
see something real close. I see something through there.
Yeah, that's the same ones that was over there earlier.
Oh yeah, we went in a circle, didn't we? Okay, never mind.
That's the same ones.
Oh yeah, keep on going.
We're getting they're closer. That's a good bunch of them.
Well, we seen us a big group of deer.
Yep.
Say goodbye.